Hey everyone, long time no see. I'm sorry I haven't kept you updated. I was all set to do that video 2 weeks ago on a Friday. The AT&T guy was supposed to come in the afternoon. It was the day after my daughter's surgery. My body was aching. I was exhausted. I was gonna do some cleaning and then start my video and just do my video while he was here. Unfortunately, he calls me about 8:30 in the morning. I was up from 4 o'clock in the morning or 3:30 in the morning the day before. So, well, on the day before. So I really needed that extra sleep, but he came early and me having to take over all the duties that my daughter had because she can't do anything yet, has just really taken its toll on me. Right now, I am exhausted. I am beyond exhausted. I don't know when I've been as exhausted as I am now. I'm still healing myself. Seymour has healed quite a bit. But, your body's using up energy for that. My husband decided to take vacation. I'm like, I understand that you want to do it when my son's out of school. Thank goodness this next semester he's just got 2 more classes and he'll be done with school. But I was like, nope, we are not doing this again. I can't, especially next year. My family will be coming next year, so yeah, no. I don't want to take vacation right before they come. So it's been really hard. I can't even express how exhausted I've been. We've been going to museum. It was like boom, boom, boom. I had my surgery. I'm still healing. Stephanie had surgery. And then last week I thought I was gonna have a day to do a video. And usually I know I keep you updated. I'm really sorry I haven't. It's just that I'm just exhausted to the max right now with my body still healing, taking over from my daughter. And then my husband wanted to take vacation and go to museums. And I had I had a doctor's appointment. And so I had to go to that doctor's appointment because both me and my daughter were having problems with our hands. And it's just my carpal tunnel. It's just getting worse. And they want to do surgery. I don't want them messing with my hand. It could get worse. So, I'm doing everything with my finger was hurting so bad. And the doctor just said it's something that happened in the hospital, which I believe. They were just brutes in the hospital. And my daughter hasn't healed because, just like me, she got an infection. So, I don't know what they're doing wrong in that hospital. So anyway, I'm still not healed myself from, he says that I just have lymphedema now. So my belly is so swollen. It looks like I haven't lost anything. I have been eating carbs. I've been on vacation. I'm just eating whatever I want right now until after the holidays. I've been teeter-tottering between 320 and 330. Yesterday I was 331 according to the health museum. I have just been beyond exhausted. I wanted to put pictures of vacation so far. I was kind of waiting till vacation was over, which it won't be until Christmas. My husband has, between Christmas and all the days off he has like a 2-week vacation. So I've just been doing something every day. Today's the only day I had to rest, thank God, because yesterday I just couldn't go anymore. I was in so much pain. My arthritis was acting up. I'm more active since I don't have that 35 pounds hanging over my hips and my thighs, but I'm all swollen on top, and he still left a little bit of hanging skin. He said he was going to take it off, but and so that, because I've been teeter-tottering, that's kind of like a little bit hanging, but at least it's not hanging down to my knees like before. I'm waiting for Seymour to heal before I had a before picture. I'm going to do an after picture, but I'm just so, I can't express how exhausted it's been. I just couldn't anymore. I slept till about 10:30. I think now it's probably after 12. I couldn't, yesterday and today I've been so tired I couldn't even eat. I've been just drinking protein shakes yesterday and today. I'm afraid that that I could have hurt my hernia because I am still in pain, a lot of pain around the belly button area. I have a day off next week. I tried to see my doctor, and he's like, oh, come in, I'll see you, and then we'll discuss. No, I've been your patient for 2 years. Just freaking make the x-rays. I don't have time to be going, let's just take care of business. I'll go get the x-rays and then we'll sit down and discuss what's going on. No. No, I haven't seen you since April, so I want you to just come in and we can talk. Yeah, he makes a couple $100 for my insurance, and right now I don't have to pay $40, but then I won't be able to see him until next year. So he says, unless you go to your PCP. You know what? Since I'm already out from underneath my surgeon, let's just start next year. I'll see my PCP. At least it'll be cheaper. So anyway, yeah, I am still swollen. You could see the water, like in the stretch marks are just like filled with fluid. It's itchy. It's painful. It's So anyway, all of that to say, I'm sorry I haven't done a video in about I think more than 2 weeks, and I haven't kept you updated, and I apologize. But vacation's been great, and I have some pictures of that. But did want to do it, even though today's my day off. I was very anxious to do this video. Putting on makeup is just one of the things it's my me time. So sometimes I'm too tired to do it, but today I do really want to do the next one. And so last time we did the bottom colors, the darker red. Now you can see better. My husband finally put a light in for me. There's one fluorescent and one regular, so now you could really see it better. So see, we did this last week, so this week we're doing this. And I'm kind of upset because I had a hard time. I've been so tired. I'm forgetting where I'm putting my stuff. And I had a hard time. Someone had requested, one of my followers, that I try out this as a base. I'm gonna try this out like a primer, kind of, even though I already have a primer. And I want to put this as the base color. And I could have used the red one last time, the ruby one. This is the copper one. So I'm kind of going to put this all over the eye, and then I'm going to put this on the lid. I'm using the warmest one that they had, which is kind of like a yellowish color. I don't have my glasses, so I can't see what it is, but it's the yellower one, and I could put it later. I could tell, wow, a lot of that comes out. But this is going to dry pretty fast, so I'm going to have to work fast on that, because these do dry matte. All right, let me just work fast. I had everything laid out in front of me. I tell you, it's just I'm just doing what's absolutely necessary to clean, because I just can't. It's like as soon as school's over, my husband wants to do vacation, but what is this? I think there was some dried mask on me that I had. I'm telling you, I was all ready to do my videos. I did a mask. I did my mustache, and I got. Anyway, so I had to do that again today, because since I lost the weight, for some reason my hair is growing faster. So again, my mustache comes in so much more quickly. All right, so this is the lightest one. Don't see the name on the side, so it's on the bottom and it's small. Put on my glasses. So this is Camel, and I think it goes good as a base color, or even as a, how many women are putting using concealer. This dries matte, so it remains to be seen if you can blend. And again, I think these are good if you don't want to put on makeup, and you could just put it on real quick. All right, let's try this, the copper. I think this is Ride My Copper or something like that. As usual. My eyes are very deep set, so I always make a mess. I can't. There's just no way around it. These could be used, I think over eyeshadow or alone, just, Usually I put it over an eyeshadow, but right now I want to use it as the base color. None of it came off. I just tested that. It didn't come off. I'm going to use the orange color. Copper, actually. Okay. Yeah, so I've just been doing the minimal amount of, mostly just the kitchen, getting those dishes washed, really. And I just put them in the dishwasher because putting pressure on my belly hurts. So leaning against the, the sink hurts. So I've just been trying to just keep up with that mostly. And of course, washing clothes. So I did the copper. Now I'm going to do the lighter red from that one. I'm wondering if it's going to be good enough, yeah, as a crease color. Yeah, because it's a more warmer toned red, like a more rust red. Put glitter, the green glitter in my hair, the little hair mascaras. And then the gold. Sometimes gold is a little bit too much as the highlight color, but that's what I want to do today. Oh wow, yeah, that I might have to. What I might do is just. I knew I was forgetting something. I forgot to do my brows. I guess I'll just have to do that off camera. I mean, after. I usually do it before. I was like, I'm starting too quickly. Yeah, that's, I think, a little too much. I'm probably gonna tone it down though, because that is too much there. And I don't know if it's this brush, but I'm having a hard time blending it. Yeah, that, I'm gonna tone that down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use I don't have it right now, one of those eyebrow hot, you do your eyebrows and you put like the cream color here and the cream color here. I have a pencil that I use. It's a cream pencil for the eyebrows. Think I'm going to go over it with that, or I might just go over it with that really light gold, but that light gold's gonna finish fast. So anyway, I'm just gonna put black mascara and liner, finish my makeup, and I'm gonna fix that, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. Again, I don't know anything about Zodiacs, but I use this one, the one with the, it looks like a ram, might be Aries. I use Aries for my lips today. It's the darkest one and it's pretty opaque. So that's what I use for my lips. And what I did was I used one of these, I have an Anastasia, and I use it to anytime I need to tone down my highlight area. And I went over it again. I didn't put any more on the brush, but I used my highlighting brush and it was still too dark. So I went over a little bit with the white gold in the, with this very, very light gold in this corner over here. And then I took the yellow and I went into my inner corners. I wasn't trying to make it stand out. It's just kind of like blended in, So yeah, I find that I use a lot of highlighter, more like white and beige colors, because I use it like with all palettes and all colors. Because some highlighting colors and palettes are just not good, just too dark. But it still has the darkness of the original gold, even though I toned it down. I put a little bit of the white gold on it. And then, of course, I used I used the Berry Shimmer blush because I wanted something dark. But I think the Mellow Wine would have been better. And I used the Fire on the cheeks, which looks more like a bronzer to me because it's so dark on me anyway. And then I used the Written in the Stars for my nose because I don't want that orange on my nose. Oh, and as for my nails, they were growing out really nice. I wrapped them, I think, like the day before or the day after the day after my daughter's, that night after my daughter's surgery. I wrapped them all, and I don't know what I mean. I did everything I always do right that makes them last a long time. They just started coming off between that and doing more cleaning. I lost all my nails. I finally just cut them down. All my nails got really soft, even though I used gloves to do the dishes, and they just all started breaking. Even this one, there's like the old lady nail that's, the old lady nails where they're really, really hard. I wish all my old nails would be lady nails, because this one barely breaks, so even this one was chipping and cracking and breaking, even though I was using gloves. So, yeah. So, anyway.